Have you ever touched something hot and pulled your hand back instantly before you even had time to think? Or maybe you've felt butterflies in your stomach before giving a presentation. That's your nervous system in action. The body's communication superhighway that keeps you sensing, reacting, and thinking every second of the day. The nervous system is one of the most important and complex systems in your body. The nervous system has two main parts. The central nervous system, SNS. This includes the brain and spinal cord. The brain processes information and makes decisions. The spinal cord acts like a highway, sending messages between your brain and body. The peripheral nervous system, PNS. These are the nerves that branch out from the spinal cord and spread throughout your body. They carry messages to and from the CNS to your arms, legs, skin, and organs. It's how your body communicates with your brain. It controls everything you do, from breathing and blinking to solving math problems and feeling emotions. It gathers information from the world around you, processes that information, and tells your body how to respond. In short, it's your body's control center, sending signals at lightning speed between your brain, spinal cord, and nerves that let's say you step on a sharp object. Nerves in your foot send a signal to your spinal cord and brain. Your brain processes the pain and sends a message back through the spinal cord. Your muscles respond, and you quickly lift your foot. All of this happens in just a fraction of a second. Let's take a closer look at the brain, the most powerful organ in the nervous system. The brain has several major parts, each with a special role. Cerebrum, largest part of the brain, controls thinking, memory, learning, speech, and voluntary movement. Divided into right and left hemispheres. Cerebellum, located at the back of the brain, helps with balance, coordination, and smooth movement. Brainstem, connects the brain to the spinal cord, controls basic life functions like breathing, heartbeat, and digestion. Each part works together to help your body respond to the world in real time, whether you're riding a bike, studying for a test, or just breathing while you sleep. The cerebrum is divided into 4 main lobes, each with specific functions. Frontal lobe, decision-making, problem-solving, emotions, and voluntary movement. Parietal lobe, processes touch, temperature, and body position. Temporal lobe, controls hearing, memory, and language. Occipital lobe, responsible for vision and visual interpretation. Understanding these lobes helps us appreciate how the brain works like a team, each part doing its job to keep you functioning and aware. The spinal cord is a thick bundle of nerves running down your back. IT connects your brain to the rest of your body. It's protected by the vertebrae in your spine and acts like a super-fast delivery system for nerve signals. Without the spinal cord, your brain couldn't communicate with your limbs or organs. Your nervous system is always active, even when you're not thinking about it. It lets you read and understand these words. It helps your muscles move when you walk. It keeps your heart beating and lungs breathing without any conscious thought. It even plays a role in how you feel, from excitement and happiness to fear and stress. To keep your nervous system healthy, here are a few important tips. Get enough sleep. Your brain needs rest to process and recover. Eat a balanced diet. Foods rich in omega-3 antioxidants and vitamins help brain health. Exercise regularly. Increases blood flow to the brain and improves focus and mood. Avoid harmful substances. Alcohol, tobacco, and drugs can damage nerves and brain cells. Manage stress. Long-term stress can negatively affect your nervous system. Your nervous system is truly remarkable. It helps you sense the world, make decisions, move your body, and even feel emotions, all without you having to think about it most of the time.